Does it change? We keep getting challenged with stiff tires. So now we have the rear wheel of a BMW GS 1250 from last year. It has still stock tires on it, Metzeler Karoo 3. The owner of the bike is not particularly happy with this one and wants to put Dunlop Trailmax Mission, which we have right here next to us. So we have already let the air out. This one has a tire pressure monitor sensor, so we'll be especially careful. We are using the special duck head, which is for cross-spoked rims. As you can see, it's wider than the normal duck head because these wheels have spokes running to the side, so it needs a different duck head, which is an optional accessory. Okay, and as this is a single-sided swing arm bike, we have a special adapter for BMWs. From one side, it's 62 millimeters, which is the GS, and most of the other single-sided BMWs. And then on the other side, we have 72, which goes with the K1600, LT, and the others. So we're going to use the 62 one. Okay, so we're ready to start. First step, breaking the bead. We adjust the rim support blocks. We see that the bead breaker goes as close as possible to the rim, but not to touch it. And not only for dismounting, but also for breaking the bead, I use soap because it can go into the smallest cracks and help to do it. Okay, that tire had about 5,000 on it, so it wasn't that difficult. Here we have the bead, the sensor, so very gentle there. If you can't get it off on one place, just turn a little bit and then very little bit again. Okay. Here's the sensor, so very careful there. Not to time it. So when dismounting a tire, we always start at 6 o'clock, and the tire pressure monitor sensor should be at 3 o'clock roughly. We can't use the metal because that would to block the wheel from rotating. So we're gonna use the strap. We put it around the spoke that is most aligned with the strap when the strap is tensioned. Okay. And we always use the bead breaker to make the tire fall into the drop center from the opposite side, from where we are pulling it over. That was fairly easy. And now the other side. So like we said, that was Metzeler Karoo 3, a fairly easy tire to change. So what we're going to put back there is a Dunlop Trailmax Mission. Well known for its stiffness. I guess the most stiff adventure bike tire. We can do the same test as with front. That's the Metzeler. You step on it. It flexes. That's the Karoo. That's like a block of wood. So the tire goes basically this way. I have to see that. Okay. So it turns this way. This one has to be the same way. Okay. Like this. Yep, that's the correct. And the red dot again goes aligned with the valve valve. Okay. Okay. Basically, we are ready to start mounting. I'm gonna put a little bit on the tuck head as well. Voila. So, does it change? Dunlop Trailmax Mission. We have changed two tires now, the front one and the rear one on a BMW GS 1250 from last year. Yes, it does, and it was surprisingly easy. Thank you for watching.